The following instructions apply to all Wolf Home Products quick ship door styles, including Wolf Classic cabinets, Wolf Signature, and Builder's Mark cabinets. Today, we're going to demonstrate how you can easily repair blemished or scratched cabinets with the Wolf Home Products Touch-Up Kit and Putty. Your Wolf Home Products Touch-Up Kit includes Fill Stick, Blending Pad, Blue Scraper, Top Coat Touch-Up, Valve Paint Marker or Felt Marker. We'll walk you through using your Wolf Home Products Touch-Up Kit on a white panel using the Valve Paint Marker. Begin with the fill stick to fill in the defect area. Rub the stick into the crevice both with and against the grain to fill the hole as much as possible, making sure the scratch or dent is filled completely. Use the blue scraper to remove any excess wax from the panel. Use the blending pad around the edges to clean and level the area. Repeat using the fill stick, scraper, and blending pad if necessary to ensure the crevice is filled and the surface is flat and clean. Brush the touch-up clear top coat over the repair area. Allow to dry completely. Next, we'll use the marker to replace any missing color. First, shake the marker vigorously to adequately mix the paint. Dab the damaged area with the marker to color in any blemishes. Allow color to dry, and then reapply if necessary. Next, we'll show you how to use the Wolf Putty. If you have a pinhole or small crack, you may alternatively use putty to touch up or make minor repairs. Use your finger to scoop a small amount of putty from the jar. Apply the putty aggressively into the crevice, ensuring that all areas that contain scratches or defects are filled completely. Use the scraper to remove excess from the surface. Then, use the blending pad to smooth and level the area. Depending on the job or area, you may finish with the clear top coat to seal the repair. For more information on Wolf Home Products, visit wolfhomeproducts.com.